I'll kick us off because I have done a couple of these last year and have some scheduled in 2026. So I think what's interesting, and this is a conversation I've had with multiple engineers from our industry, is that at this stage, AI is an efficiency booster for those that have the experience, and it is a deficiency for those that don't. What I mean by that is if you allow an engineer that's during commissioning basically accesses ChatGPT or Gemini or any other LLM, and they understand the system, they can, for example, ask a question of, I have this specific fault. What do you recommend? They're going to get 3 to 5 suggestions. They will know with the experience what can or what shouldn't or should be done. But if you don't have that context and those years of experience, it is very easy to fall in the trap during the commissioning or even the engineering phase to make the assumption that the AI is giving you the right answer. So ultimately, you end up spending more time figuring out what makes sense, what doesn't make sense. There's a lack of information in our industry as opposed to traditional software where you have thousands and hundreds of thousands of pages on Stack Overflow, documentation that is extremely robust, examples from engineers from top companies in the world that write white papers and different open source tools, as opposed to manufacturing, where it is a little bit harder to make sense of what is right and what is wrong. So, at least that is my current perspective when it comes to commissioning or engineering projects in our space as it relates to LLMs.